Hello and welcome to the Backhaul Lounge. I'm Dahlit Brin and today I'm joined by Europe's region head, Adrian Hipkiss. Adrian, first of all, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Today we want to talk about the state of 5G in Europe. There's a buzz worldwide and it's so great to get your insight because you're the ears and eyes on the ground. So what's happening in Europe?
I think what we're seeing in Europe is after many years of discussion and anticipation of what 5G can bring, we're seeing real acceleration now, real traction in helping our customers build out their new 5G networks.
So what does that mean in terms of subscriber experience, and what can we as Ceragon do to help operators provide that 5G wow experience to their subscribers?
5G brings challenges that we haven't seen before with 4G and 3G. It brings new challenges. And there are changes in, for example, in some countries where they're pushing the boundaries in the spectrum. What this enables is it enables our customers to be able to, for example, use wide channels. The solutions that we've designed and the architecture we help them to put in place enables them to achieve throughputs that have never been achieved before with microwave radio. In turn, this enables them to drive their architecture in different ways and achieve real return on investment.
Okay, and in terms of customer experience, subscriber experience, that means we can provide those larger, faster data sets and we can just help them have those video streaming and then also we've spoken to our head of critical infrastructure who explained to us how important for many industry sectors the employment of data is. So that's, I can see something that is also in the back there.
Depending on which customer we're working with, service providers are serving consumers and they're serving enterprises, and each bring different challenges. The promise of 5G, the streaming, the real-time information that you're referring to, this is where the architecture we can help our customers deliver really comes alive. The new approaches that we have in E-band, the capability that our IP50C in traditional frequencies is driving, enables throughputs and capacities that have never been seen before. This in turn enables them to build that network in the most cost-effective way. And because it's most cost effective, it enables them to deliver the dream of 5G, the wow of 5G, at a practical, sensible price point. We make it possible.
Now, is there anything else that we can do to alleviate the challenges and help them achieve their strategic business goals?
Yes, as I talked about earlier, the core microwave capability, we're helping push the boundaries. But with 5G, we're seeing challenges, our customers are seeing challenges that we didn't see with 3G and 4G. There are new challenges. And where we're able to help them is by being at the front of driving 5G network architecture and design. We're able to help them to understand how to overcome their business problems. Starting well before any deployment happens, looking at the network architecture, helping them to understand what's possible, because we can do things that others can't. So helping them to understand the art of the possible and how we can influence their network architecture, enable them to deliver a better capability, a better experience, enabling them to do it more cost effectively. That starts right at the front with looking at the network architecture, looking at the planning, looking at the design and helping them to achieve the most optimal solution. And then once we've done that, helping them through services such as cloud-based services instead of the traditional services, being more agile, helping them then, of course, post-implementation with remote monitoring via the cloud, remote support and practical services support. All of these things have really changed what we do for our customers from perhaps what at one time was a building block approach to building networks. Now what we're helping them to do is to understand how to take the journey, and we can help them from the start of that journey all the way through to a successful implementation.
Wonderful. Adrian, that was really fascinating. It's amazing what goes on in the world of 5G and how it all ties in with superior experiences to our enterprise and consumer customers. Thank you so much for spending some time with us here in the Backhaul Lounge, and we hope to have you back soon.
Thank you.
So thank you also for joining us in the Backhaul Lounge. As always, I'm inviting you to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.